Hello and welcome, it's Jilly Cube. I'm here in Queensland, Australia. I am just showing you what you can do with your leftover paints. I get accused all the time when I have paint left on a sheet or whatever, like you just seen. Oh, you've wasted all that paint. Well, no, you haven't wasted it. You can do exactly what I'm doing here. There's lots of other methods that I've showed in the last few weeks and probably years before of how to use your scraped paint. Because I'm using that wax paper, the paint scrapes on it nicely. It doesn't interfere or split the paper underneath. So I can do several other things with it. So I am dipping over this wooden heart that I did that one side, and I thought I'm going to dip the back of it, and look at that. Who'd have thought with just putting those few colours extra on top of the scraped paint. So I obviously put the Berry Delicious, it's that dark purpley colour, and white and gold on it, and then the rest was basically the paints that I'd got underneath there. And this, I go in again, that's an MDF round. So I'm just adding a few colours, because if I dipped it directly into just the scrape paint, it would have been just mud. But just adding that simplistic colours is the white, the Berry Delicious. And that's it, get it the right way. Jilly, turn it round the right way. That's a little, can be a wall hanging. But I'm really hoping I'll get the beautiful result that I just got on the heart. So these MDF wood are great for resin coating as well. They come up really lovely. So I'm doing exactly the same again. And I'm giving it a twist, as you see, and lifting it. And look at that. That is just beautiful. The colours are fabulous, considering it was mostly scrape paint and then just an addition of that couple of colours. So you can continue using that for several canvases, little cup coasters like that. That's just like a little ceramic cup coaster. Those come up lovely, and if you use a heat-proof resin, you can have them as trivets, or like these are for a cup coaster. That's very cute. Love it, love it, love it. But the paint that's actually still left on that wax paper underneath, you can leave that to dry exactly how you just seen it and reuse. Absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely. So that was on a wood, so that'll be really nice if I give it a good coat of resin, because it can act as a trivet or anything you like. And the wooden heart, that will really come up lovely with some resin on. And then I did, can you see that? Another round. I'll put some more sort of purple balloon kisses. I wanted to put more of that Berry Delicious in it. And then that little cup coaster. So how much you get out, then I scraped the wax paper off and put the remaining paint in a cup, and I'll reuse that for the base on something. So for all the people that keep saying to me that, so much wasted paint, when you've got this wax craft paper I get from Kmart, $5 a roll, you can, the paint scrapes off it easy. It can be left with the dip on it to recreate another piece of art. So super happy with those. I'm really happy with the colour combo. Did not expect that. Hope you liked it too. Please take care. Bye for now. just at the end of my day in the art room.
Go out and walk with you. Baby, you know I just like to talk with you. You don't have to tell me anything that's new. I just wanna go out and walk with you. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine, sailing over pavement with our two elbows. I like to see the shape you're in from time to time. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine. I just wanna see the same things you can see, understand the meaning on a new degree. Maybe that could happen when you're next to me. I just wanna see the same things you can see. Go out on a walk with you. Could be 20 minutes or an hour or two. Baby, you know I just like to talk with you. I just wanna go out on a walk with you. Baby, you know I just like to talk. I just wanna go out and walk with you. Baby, you know I just like to talk with you. You don't have to tell me anything that's new. I just wanna go out and walk with you. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine, sailing over pavement with our two elbows. I like to see the shape you're in from time to time.